Good morning. This is Greg Hernandez from Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk with today's look at the markets for Tuesday, September 21st. Futures are mixed this morning as the market digests news about European bond sales and U.S. housing data. Market participants overnight were relieved that the Irish bond sale went relatively well. The Irish government sold over $2 billion of government debt. The Greek and Spanish governments also sold shorter term paper. Now, the credit default swaps in Ireland came down overnight after reaching all-time highs just yesterday. That's Monday, meaning investors now perceive somewhat less risk after the government bond sale. Again, so the judgment by most market participants is that the Irish sovereign debt sale went well. So again, a little bit of relief from the European front. Here in the U.S., housing starts came in better than expected, rising 10.5% in August. So positive news on the housing front. That, of course, is after Lennar posted better than expected results on Monday. Lennar, one of the largest home builders in the United States. Now, interestingly, we'll have more housing data later on this week with existing home sales and new home sales data later on this week. In corporate news yesterday, IBM announced that it would acquire data company Netezza. That was one of the factors in Monday's strong performance. So market participants will be looking for the tech sector for news of any additional mergers or acquisitions. Also today, Tuesday, around 2:15 New York time, people will be looking for the Fed decision. Now, of course, there is unanimous consensus that the Fed will keep rates where they are. That is in a range of 0 to 0.25%. And in fact, Fed futures point to the fact that there won't be any change even out until March 2011. But of course, the Fed's language will be closely monitored, especially regarding additional purchases of financial assets. And so, of course, market participants will be listening to any language from the Fed. So that's been all. This is Greg Hernandez with Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk.